front of me is Samsung Galaxy A57 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll to tap on this section called Google Services. Now choose All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google. Now scroll one more time to choose Google Password Manager and click on Add Password. If you don't have it, that's because you never added one before and you need at least one to add them manually. So to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner and make sure this switcher next to Offer to save passwords is blue. Then tap on the back button twice and leave Settings opened in the background. Now all you need is to log in into any website or any app that requires an account and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, hit Save at the bottom right corner and go back to Previous Settings. Sorry, misclick. I will fix it real quick. And then tap on Google Password Manager again. As you can see, my first password was successfully added, and with it, Add Password option appeared. So now we can click on it and add any other password. To do it now, enter any website at the top, or select App section and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. Once you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!